is up, Web3 crew? It's me, Krista Two Moons, right here at the Gydex Global, powered by Expand North Star, and I'm currently at the booth of PatternFast, together with the founder and CEO, Miss Yuliya. Hi, how are you?
I'm well, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by.
How's the event so far?
Oh, it's been spectacular. We've been so busy yesterday, didn't even have time to get lunch, so it's great.
Well, everybody's busy though, and is this your first time to be one of the exhibitors of Gydex?
Yes, it is actually our first time.
How's the experience? How's this year?
It's fabulous. I'm very impressed. The staff is amazing. Everybody's super friendly, very organized. The show's beautiful. I'm really pleased, yeah.
So are you looking forward to the next year?
Definitely.
Okay, now let's talk about PatternFast. And what are you guys doing, or what are you showcasing today?
So at PatternFast, we enable fashion brands to design, develop, and go to market in hours instead of months. That's kind of a typical process right now. And we work with brands of different sizes. We work from independent designers to very large corporate entities as well, like multi-billion-dollar companies. So at PatternFast, we provide AI for instantly manufacturable fashion. So unlike anything available on the market today, we're talking 3D, CAD systems, or even AI that makes beautiful pictures and designs. Unlike anything available on the market, we provide everything needed to go from idea, from your sketch, to production ready in seconds. And that includes sizes, it includes grading, it includes technical packages, markers, everything literally needed to go from just an idea, concept, to literally being production ready.
I'm just thinking, because you say you guys are using AI in the company, then do you think that AI is going to take over our places? Like, is it a threat for us? Like, AI is helping the companies. And how about the people who's before using and creating that as, their work?
It's an amazing question because everybody's worried about this. The way we see it, a human being still needs to operate AI. A human being is accountable, a human being is creator. So we see this, instead of replacing jobs, we're enabling. It's kind of giving you wings, basically, like giving superpowers. Thinking of a small brand, an solopreneur and a small designer brand, they don't have access to hundreds of pattern makers or technical designers, etc. Maybe one or two. So those one or two key people in the company are basically going to be replicated as though they are 1,000. So they're going to be superpowered, basically. But the same thing for the larger brands. Instead of replacing the teams, suddenly the teams become enabled, they become less stressed. Like basically we reduce the 90% of stress factor and making lives of people who are going to be working a lot more enjoyable and better. So no, absolutely not. We're not going to be replacing jobs. We're going to be empowering jobs and empowering humans to live better lives, companies to make profits, and our planet to be more sustainable, because we're basically reducing waste, we're reducing effort, reducing materials, everything that goes into the product design, development, and manufacturing.
That's perfect. What is the main goal of PatternFast?
Our goal is to basically enable fashion and make it much more sustainable. And ultimately, that was my initial motivator. I'm a designer myself, these are mine. But I have over 30 years of experience, and I started very modestly from solopreneur, had a very successful multi-million-dollar brand in the United States. But at every point, the process has been grueling, very challenging, difficult, expensive, and polluting. So at a certain point, my vision was, well, first, I'd like to make our jobs as designers, as product development teams, to much more sustainable, and fashion industry to become more sustainable, but also more profitable. So our goal is to enable brands and to kind of create a win-win situation between our planet being more sustainable and industry being more sustainable, but also bringing profits, reducing waste, reducing time, and all the pain and suffering, removing all the pain and suffering from the process.
After Gydex Global, where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
Well, we're working on PatternFast, so that's kind of our project. But the big project actually we are working on right now is AI sketch to pattern, where designers can upload their sketches and will generate an instantly manufacture-ready everything needed basically to go to production based on that sketch. Right now, we still provide lots of templates, over 100 billion of templates that are ready to go. But in the future, it'll be complete unlimited creativity. So that's kind of the big project we're working at PatternFast. And where are we going to? Paris. We're going to. I'm going back to San Francisco. But anyway, well, yeah, we're going back to Paris at some of the shows. I'd love to be invited back at GITEC. So yeah, please check us out at PatternFast.com. Again, PatternFast.com. And yeah, we'd love to see you on the platform. And thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Yuliya. I have one question for you. It is off the topic, but this is the title of the show. What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money? Oh, that's an interesting question. It's probably going to be digital. We're going to be switching to digital. I could see that being definitely the future.
Definitely, that's the future for her. And now describe this event in one word. Let's go.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. You are fabulous.
Well,
that's it. And I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is Krista. More to come all here at FOMO, the future of money.
Thank you.